Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We are in the Lake Louise area right now, and we have seen spectacular sunrise at Lake Louise. And now we are going to do the Big Beehive hike. It is around 10-kilometer return with 700-meter elevation gain. And on the Lake Louise at the sunrise time, it's pretty quiet. So it should be in your bucket list to see the sunrise at Lake Louise. So let's start the trail before it gets crowded and enjoy the time in the mountains. One more highlight of this hike is at the Lake Agnes. There is a tea house, so it's pretty good. You can sit with really amazing view, and then you get sandwiches like after you hike up. So that's really nice. We are at the other end of the Lake Agnes. View from here is really nice too. And now the actual trail starts for the Big Beehive, and it's super steep. You have to use your leg and you can feel the muscles. So let's go for the last 0.75 kilometers. Yeah, it is pretty scary. It is like kind of at the edge, so you don't wanna do any mistake. You just wanna watch your legs and just go. Guys, I made it to the Devil's Thumb and the view is unbelievable. And that side, we're gonna see all the lakes. Let's go. We just ordered the veg sandwich and waiting for it. It's not that crowded that I was thinking on Saturday, so that's pretty good. And it started raining.
Yes, it's gonna.
We just passed by the Mirror Lake again. The alternate route is same as like the main one. There is nothing much difference. Only thing is you meet at the Lake Louise Highline Trail. So then from there you can go to the Plain of Six Glacier tea house. We are back to the lake shore. It's really crowded right now, so if you want to enjoy your own time, please try to be early. It was total around 12.5 kilometer with maybe around 900-meter elevation gain to reach to the Devil's Thumb and see the amazing view. The view was a little bit hazy, but did not disappoint it. Our trail condition was pretty good. A little bit of rocks in the roots, so I would say if you have like proper footwear, it's nice. If you do not have, then it's fine till Lake Agnes, but if you want to go to Devil's Thumb, then I would highly suggest you to have hiking shoes. And also the pole helped me a lot, so I would say to go with the hiking pole as well. And one more thing, do not forget to pay for the parking, because at the Lake Louise parking is not free anymore. It's $36.75 a day. A little bit expensive, but it's price for the place. That's all about this hike. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.